Alright, in this week's episode of Maniacs Garage, I install a bolt-on exhaust on my 2015 Mark 7 GTI Ace model, and I'm assisted by my father, John, hailing from Hungary. Also, a quick disclaimer, we are not sponsored by ECS Tuning. However, it would be really cool if we were. Hit us up, ECS Tuning, if you would like to do that. So it took me a minute to actually open all of the stuff, and I suck at using a utility knife. In the first box was the muffler tips and the mufflers. This kit deletes the mufflers. As I was pulling these out of the box, I was pleasantly surprised by the build quality. I thought the welds looked really good and the stainless steel was in perfect condition. I really love the muffler tips on this kit. They're as big as my hand, and they're shiny and clean, and they have the little ECS badge up top. I really like how they fit. The pipes are just really clean, perfect condition, no scratches, bents. What the heck's a bent? No dents. I really love the little ECS cutout they have on the muffler piece, and the welds again just look great. So we finally unpacked the final pieces and got the car up in the air. Now it's time to remove the factory exhaust. There are two cross members and they both came out very easily. One has 4 nuts and one has 4 screws, and they both came out like a dream. Next on the list is removing the exhaust from the hangers. So I lubed those up with a little WD-40, but we didn't have enough room to put the flathead in and pry it out, so we actually unscrewed the hangers from the car, and that made it a lot easier. Next, we lubed up the nuts on the clamp from the downpipe and broke that free. With the exhaust off, I removed the rubber hangers and started to mock up the new exhaust underneath the car. Now here what we're doing is we're measuring the exhaust tip to the other exhaust tip, and we're going to transfer that measurement to the new exhaust tips to make sure that they line up in the factory diffuser. Also check out Arizona's monsoon. It was really loud and it came out of nowhere, like they always do. Anyways, back to what you came for. We moved on to connecting the pipes together. We also measured how far the mufflers needed to be and lightly tightened them. We decided that it would be easier to connect the rest of the exhaust while it was hung from the car instead of putting it all up as one piece. So there is one thing that we were a little confused about at the beginning. The kit came with another rubber hanger and we didn't know where it went, so obviously we put it in the only spot that it could be on, and once we mocked it up to the car, it went on perfectly. All that's left now is some final tightening and she'll be ready to go. And there is Jim making my car look even smaller than it already is. It's a great exhaust. I mean, I was expecting a little more, I don't know, bark, I guess. But my dad was saying that outside of the car, it sounds really good. But inside, it sounds really quiet. And so, of course, I was like, well, it's probably too quiet. But I think, oh, it's here. Yeah, I mean, I think it sounds really good. I think when I do a downpipe too eventually, that'll really sprucing that up. But overall, I think it was a really good exhaust for the price and how easy it was to install with a lift. It's a chef's kiss right there. So yeah, we did good. Like, comment, subscribe. Let us know if you guys want to see more of this kind of content with, you know, more miscellaneous things on my car or my dad's BMW, stuff like that. We had a really fun time making this video. It was really cool to change it up a little bit and really change the pace. So I hope that you guys like it. We'll see you guys in the next one, hopefully.